Next, another construction. Visualize some decimal numbers. For example, if it is 3.1, very easy to mark on a number line. So you are marking from 0, then 3 unit, then after 3 unit you are taking 3.1. But here you are not taking the decimal up to one place. You are taking up to 5 decimals. So how to locate the correct position of such numbers on a number line? This is called visualizing decimal numbers. And visualizing the numbers means we have to locate the correct position. So how to locate it? That is a successive magnification. What is magnification? And we are increasing the length of the number line. You know the number line. You can see from 3 to 4 one number is there. Again magnifying that number. Where is the correct position? So you are magnifying the number line not in one step, in different steps. First we are taking the one group of number 3 to 4. From 3 to 4 we are locating the point. Then from that number again we are magnifying the number. So this is not one procedure. It is a successive procedure to visualize your given decimals up to 5 or 6 decimal places. This is called magnifying, successive magnification. How we are using what is it here, a microscope or some magnetic glass to see one very small atom or some other items in in science classes. Similarly, some numbers, some tiny numbers are there in mathematics on a number line. So your number line contains full of numbers. We cannot say. So you will say infinite numbers, isn't it? So how to identify such tiny numbers on a number line? We have to use magnifying glass. Okay, so here we cannot use the magnifying glass. So what we are doing, we are drawing the number line in step by steps. We are taking a group of numbers. First we are identifying where is the position of the number. Then from this again we are taking the next position. So you are locating and last we are visualizing the correct position of that decimal on a number line. And don't forget, and this is called successive magnification or visualize the number. So I am doing one question for you. Visualize 3.765. It is very easy to locate 3.7, but here it is not 3.7. The number extended up to 3 decimals, 3.765. So how to locate it? You know, first we have to draw a number line. First we have to locate it. 3.765 is between which two real numbers? Yes, it is between 3 and 4. First, that is our first step to visualize. We are taking successive procedure then. So draw a number line. Draw a number line. Don't mark all the numbers. We are taking 3 and 4. And divide this portion into 10 equal parts. We are dividing this number line into 10 equal parts and we are locating that 3.765 is between 3 and 4. That is our first assumption. We are taking the whole number first. Our whole number is 3. Okay, then we are moving to the step-by-step procedure, starting with the whole number. So it is between 3 and 4. Now dividing into 10 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3.1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And mark it. This is 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, then 4. And this is the first step procedure. Now moving to the next decimal. So 3 is over 3.7. So you take 3.7. So 3.765 is between 3.7 and 3.8. Here is we are keeping our magnet. Now we got that number, that tiny number's position is between 3.7 and 3.8. Very difficult to find out the tiny numbers. So 3.7 and 3.8. So we are taking that two numbers. Again we are using glass, magnifying glass. We are increasing the size of the number line. So 3.7, 3.8. Drawing the number line. So here the number is 3.7. Here it is 3.8. Again you are dividing this number line into 10 equal parts. So this is 3.7 means 3.70. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, then 3.8. Second expansion. Now take it, 3.7 is over. You are moving to the next decimal, 3.76. So what is 3.76? So that number is between 3.76 and 3.77. This is 3.76 is the first number, then 3.77. Again we are looking the position using the magnet. Again we got the position of the tiny number. So again we are extending, we are magnifying our number line. What is the first decimal? 3.76. What is this? 3.77. Again divide this number line into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this one is 3.761. This is 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769 and 3.77. Now look, where is 3.764? Oh, this is 3.6364, 3.764. We catch. We got the tiny number on the decimal. So this is that means magnifying the number line. Finally, we got the position of that tiny decimal, 3.765. And this is the method. First you take the whole number, you decide where is the position of that number, decimal number between two integers. Then again you have to divide that line segment into 10 equal parts. Again locate the first decimal. Again you have to draw, again magnify that number. You have to locate the second decimal. You have to locate the second decimal. Again draw the third number line, locate the third decimal. So here the three number lines are there because this decimal is up to 3 decimals. So like that we can move to 4 decimals, 5 decimals we can locate. That means in a small, very big number line is contain infinite number of lines. So such a tiny decimals we cannot locate. And this is what method to find. This is called visualizing. And do it, enjoy and do such type of questions. That is, we are finding a tiny number. This is very difficult. It's a big number, we can find on a number line very easily. But tiny, small numbers, we have to use, like science, we have to use magnifying glass. So enjoy and do it. See the video once again, and you watch the method. So any doubt you can post to me. Until then, thank you.